Hi for subs, welcome in 𝒮𝓉𝒶𝓎 and you are all back to me for your side. So for this video, I'm going to unbox my first ever order with Tarte. So I ordered this in Tarte.com European website, and I chose these items because I am getting addicted on brushes once again. So yes, I'm going to share to you what's inside. On this side, beauty that works and beauty that's good for you. That's the slogan of Tarte. Most of my Tarte items are from Sis Nancy of Nancy Life TV that she sent to me on either a care package or a beauty swap when we were still doing the swaps and all that. But yeah, so this is the first time that I ordered them. We already have some Tarte on our Sephora, which is good. So we have that here in Sweden now. Okay, and this is how it looks like. Wow, it's a very pretty box from Tarte. So it says here, share how you rethink natural at Tarte Cosmetics. And then Tarte, be your own kind of beautiful. That is so pretty. And this is the product. It's wrapped with this iconic Tarte purple wrapping paper. Yeah, which the beauty brands use. Okay, so let me just go ahead and grab the items. Oh my gosh, I cannot get over this box. It's so pretty. So we have this. Oh, at the back, actually, they gave me a 15% off on my next order. That is really cool. So I should use that before June 15. Okay, I will go ahead and check out if there's some interesting things that I really need from Tarte. So, oh, that's a lot. That's a lot of packaging. Okay, and I have 2 items in here. So this is a new one. And this is a brush set, which is so pretty. And I saw this on Instagram and I was like, I need that. They're really, really pretty. And this one too, I like them of course because they're pink. So, and they're quite unique because you can put rings on the brushes. Oh, that's so cool. This is like a collab with Sugar Rush and Tarte, or Sugar Rush being sold at Tarte, something like that. Yeah, there. So for this one, this is called the Goal Getters Contour Brush Set. Aha, it's a contour brush set then. It's for contouring and all that. Okay. And then let's go ahead and open it. Okay. New items, always a little difficult to open. Okay, so there. And of course, since it has pink bristles, that is also the reason why I ordered this one too. So how do I grab? Okay, like so. Oh, they're so pretty. Ta-da! Rose gold glittery, and you could really feel the glitters on this brush set. So we have this big one that is slightly angled. So mostly if you wanted, if I'm not mistaken, if you are going to bronze, then that's that. And then we have this part. You know what? I think I could use it for. I should really watch the video of what they use this for. But could I use it for nose contouring maybe? Nose contouring, and then under the lip, I contour under the lip also. I normally wanted a smaller brush when I do that, but like nose contour I think works. Yep, it does. And then we have this one in the middle right here. is, let's see this brush. Okay, this is also, it's angled on another way. It's from back to front. What do you use this one for then? I think you could also use this to pack like the setting powder under the eye. That's what I could see I could use this brush for. Oh my god, they're so soft. I'm like literally like really trying to put it on my face. This one is a buffing brush. Could even be used for foundation actually. Yeah, this could be used for foundation. Yes, I would use that for putting my liquid foundation. And this I could use for highlight. Yeah, that works for highlight. Not so much for the blush. I think it's more like for highlight. Highlight. There you go. This one is better for the bridge of the nose. And yep, highlight for this one. So that's, oh my gosh, if you know more of how you could use this brush, just tell me. The first, second, third, fourth, fifth is like this, like that. You can tell me on the comment section down below. Or if you have this and then you find another way of using them, share it with me, and I would be really, really happy to go ahead and try it the way you guys love to use these brushes. So I tried them on my face right now, and I really think that they are very, very soft, and for sure I would be happy to use them. I saw some sale brushes from Tarte also on Sephora here on our city, so I'll probably go ahead and check that out too. So that's that. And oh my god, this is the reason why I hurried to the Tarte website, because I was looking for pink brushes. It has a pink handle opposite of that one. That one has like a pink for the bristles, but this one is for the handles. And that is so cool to customize it with these rings. So it says wear or share these adjustable rings. Ooh, adjustable rings. You could wear it on your brush or wear it yourself. So it says that we have an angled brush, a large powder brush, and a fluffy blending or blend and buff eyeshadow into the crease. Okay. That's good. Aha, okay. So inside it's wrapped on a pink paper, not the purple one. And it says Sugar Rush. That's why. Okay, and then you can do it like this so you see how it is. Okay, so I can see the rings right now, and you know how crazy I am with rings. I think it's a very cool idea. Maybe I could experiment on my Pandora rings and put it on makeup brushes also. It gives me an idea. Oh my god, and these are the brushes. They are so pretty and pink. It's a powder pink. Oh my gosh, it's not hot pink. It's like, so pretty pink. I love it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I am going to remove the plastics all together. Okay, so they say that was the powder brush. Oh my god, those are the softest bristles. Oh my gosh, that's so soft. Oh, so soft. And then we have the angled one. This angled one is the one that I love to use for bronzing and brushing. Blushes also. So that's that. And then this one is for the eyeshadow. Okay. And then now I should grab the rings and show you how to put them. Okay. So I think it's really better to put them on the two bigger ones, because it's not gonna fit on the small one at all. It's too big for that. Okay, so let's try and wear these rings first. Of course, you know I'm gonna try that. This one says Vibes. And then the other one is a rainbow. And you know how much I love pinks, rainbows. unicorns, mermaids, and all things magical. So we have that. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm so gonna rock this. I would really wear them. And I am going to show you how we could put it here, because at the moment it's, oh, it does fit. It does fit already. But we have to adjust it a little bit because it may fall. Yeah, I have to adjust a little bit to the edge. It's gonna fall. Okay, I think that's not so bad for now. And then let's see. Okay. This is so gonna fall. Okay, there. So that's how they look. And then I will put her in the middle. Oh, don't fall. Okay. So they're like this. And then I'm gonna put this at the back so you see. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. These are so pretty. You are still gonna see this on my Instagram. Probably the other one, the Enchanting and Magical. I probably will try to put this on Fierceye also. But yeah, oh my gosh. Generally, I'm 100% very happy on getting both of them. And there's so many other Tarte brushes that I really wanted to try. They even have a unicorn and a mermaid brush that I stopped myself from buying. But yeah, this I'm so happy to have, even though it's just 3 brushes, and I like lots and lots of brushes, but really happy about this one. I'm kind of thinking of like having a backup of this. It's not so expensive. I'm going to put the price somewhere or on the description bar, and if I forgot, then just like let me know or check it out on Tarte website so you know how the prices these are. These 3 are on a regular price because they're new, but these are on a discount. So yeah, maybe I could use my 15% off discount to grab me some a backup of this one because I really like them. So yeah, that's all about that's all for this video, and I hope that you like it and enjoyed it as much as I did. I will be uploading a lot of other videos, not just jewelries but also makeups and beauty products, and it's just everything cute and girly, because my channel is not really just about jewelry, it's about so many things. I started with the beauty channel also, so yeah, and then it went to like jewelries and then Pandora, and my love for Pandora is still there. It's just that there's just like so many hauls that I have to put out there, and perfumes too. So if you like all sorts pretty, beautiful, and collective things, then this is the right channel for you. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button if you do like this video, and see you on my next one. And remember guys, to stay fierce and fly high. I love you all. See ya.